iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum and Amp Mop Review. The combo robot vacuum and mop of our dreams. Few robot vacuums have been as smart, svelte and sophisticated as the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. However, its newest sibling offers even more, with the same superior suction but with mopping to boot. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus comes with a retractable mop pad, and when paired with iRobot's highly intelligent programming, grants an automated clean like never before, and without getting your carpet soggy. Pros: mops and vacuums, accurate room mapping, easy setup and use. Cons: very expensive. Side brush flicks debris. Self-emptying bin is very noisy. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus Performance. Fantastic pickup on both carpet and hard floor. Object detection works wonderfully. Mop works well once it soaks through. As we've highlighted earlier in this review, the iRobot Combo J7 Plus vacuums to the same high standard as the non-mopping J7 Plus model. It performs well on hard floors, collecting both fine debris and larger crumbs, although with larger spills in particular, the side brush will often make a meal of flicking the litter across the floor, which extends cleaning time. Large spills of fine powders such as those in our flour and biscuit test will be tracked across the floor by the bot, and when overwhelmed by such debris, the vacuum throws some of it back on the ground when making its way to the charging station to unload. When it returned to the floor to finish the job, it mostly collected the remnants. However, some of the oats that had been flung further afield were missed. Of course, the frequency with which your robot vacuum will be collecting large amounts of concentrated debris is fairly minimal. During a regular clean, the vacuum is very systematic and successful at sucking up standard household grime. We never once saw it creating any mess. As stated earlier, there's no manual control option for suction power on the Combo J7 Plus. Instead, it intelligently detects the dirt level on the floor and makes adjustments itself accordingly. The bot will maintain a winding route around your home while cleaning, but if it detects a messy space, it will pause to go over it before resuming on its path. Similarly, when encountering an obstacle, the bot will pause, find a way around whatever clutter it has identified. We tested with socks, wires and toys, either avoiding the object to continue its journey from the next logical place, or intentionally nudging larger, non-furniture obstacles such as toys out of its way. The standout feature with the Combo J7 Plus is, of course, its mopping ability, and we were really impressed by how it performed. We were concerned that the mop pad wouldn't dock neatly below the unit, or that its arms would be too delicate to deliver the pressure required to mop floors well. On the contrary, the Combo J7 Plus was capable of giving our floors a lovely shine up, especially when we used the cleaning solution sample included with the vacuum. In the app, you can decide for each of your favorite cleaning modes whether you'd like to use a minimal, medium or maximum dose of liquid. There are a few drawbacks. First, the mop pad takes a while to soak through. In our test, we had to wait about 5 minutes during the cleaning process before we saw consistent, non-streaky results. If the water tank is full, it can also sometimes leave the odd drip mark. If you're planning to use the mopping function regularly, note that you'll lose some of the hands-free perks of the self-emptying base station. All of the mopping features, from replacing and cleaning the mop pads to refilling the liquid, are entirely manual. However, there's no doubt that the Combo J7 Plus offers a mopping experience that's far superior to anything we've yet seen in a combination robot vacuum and mop. Once it gets going, the mop is great, and it left our floors shiny and mark-free. The Combo J7 Plus treats carpets with care, giving them a thorough clean before moving on to mop and vacuum the floors. We tested our vacuum to see if we could trick it into mopping our bathroom rug by moving it around before and during a cleaning cycle. However, the clever little bot was more than capable of identifying the change in texture and storing away its mop so as to not damage or dampen the carpet. In general, the Combo J7 Plus was fairly quiet as it made its way around our home, registering a maximum of 68 dB on our decibel meter. Generally, it's even quieter, but the volume rises by around 5 dB when the vacuum natively boosts its suction. However, we had a nasty shock when it returned to base for the first time. The noise of the self-emptying function scared the living daylights out of us, registering a colossal 90 dB, and while it lasts for only a few seconds, it's loud enough that we'd strongly recommend against using it in any circumstance where you need to be noise conscious. Should I buy the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus? Buy it if you're a pet owner. With its object detection, the ability to suck up particles as small as 0.7 microns, the POP promise from iRobot and its well-designed rollers, this RoboVac is ideal for pet owners. It also won't be so prone to spooking your furry friends, actively avoiding them, or their rooms, at your command. You want a hands-free experience. No other robot vacuum cleaner on the market can offer the level of intelligence delivered by the iRobot Roomba models. You'll scarcely need to maintain the vacuum unless you're mopping regularly, and everything you need to know about your device is at your fingertips through the app. You want the best of both worlds. If you want a robot vacuum that also mops, and you want it to be the best, look no further than the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. It's the most advanced combination bot we've seen yet, addressing many of the woes we've had with bottom-mounted mop pads over the years. Don't buy it if you like peace and quiet. For the majority of the time, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is pretty quiet, and certainly more so than some of its competition. However, the 10 to 30 seconds when it's emptying into the clean base are borderline unbearable at over 90 dB, especially if you're in the same room. You don't want to buy add-ons. There are some fantastically useful add-ons for iRobot RoboVacs, but specifically for actually cleaning using the mop function and the self-emptying base, you'll need to fork out regularly for compatible dirt disposal bags and